Hello everyone, greetings to you all. Today I'm proudly unveiling a sensational feature of ToolWeb, career roadmaps. Whether you are a college student or a job seeker or someone gearing up your dream career, this tool is designed to guide your path to success and keep you ahead of competition as well. So it is not just a tool, but also help you to grow up in the ladder during your work time as well. So that is what we are going to see. There are around 54 tools. Where it is located, just go to tools portfolio, just click on career. You will find 54 tools out there. And the first tool, if you could see, it is just a tool for a support professional who wish to get into a support role on a network domain. You know what? This guy, if you click on here, I'm going to start with this. This is very interesting stuff. When you click on here, it will give you a guide for you to study. You download the guide, and that guide will be available in LinkedIn or various places in the web. Actually, it is quite common. It is the fundamentals of network. So I've taken it from LinkedIn. So I will have to give the courtesy to the person who created and then put it in LinkedIn. So I would like to say my courtesy to them. And then just download it. Take your time to finish it. Maybe 1 or 2 weeks it will take. If you doesn't know anything about network, it will take 2 weeks to the max. If you know something about networks, it will take maximum of 1 week. Once it is over, just come back again and click on this tool and then do your evaluation. Okay, where are you standing? What level you are in the fundamentals of it? If you are 100% or over 85% in fundamentals, straight away go ahead and apply for network support fresher, network support 1 year experienced guy, something like that. You can do it with it. I'm going to start with this tool, and then you have plenty of tools for biotechnology people. There are a couple of things. One is wet lab career roadmap, dry lab career roadmap. So this is one thing. And then some security people who wish to do a forensic audit or something like that, they wanted to do some kind of a certification towards forensic. What is there in forensic? Some people, they wanted to do Gen AI incident response roadmap career. So I'm not going to give a video for all the 54 tools. I'm going to take selective tools actually, or I would say domain by domain. If it is a cyber security, I will take one particular tool and then I will explain to you about it, because all the tools are the same pattern, the same way it works. So first it will understand about yourself by asking some questions, and by probing some questions, you will have to answer those questions, and based on those answers, the system will determine what level you are in, and then based on it, it will provide you a roadmap. What is your study pattern? Some people, they will say 20 hours a week, some people 10 hours a week. So some kind of a study pattern, the system will understand your study pattern, and based on it, it will give you the roadmap with a timeline as well. So how long does it take? So I would strongly suggest college students, please do not come here and do this roadmap at the end by final year. After only 3 months down the line, you are going to get into a role. If you see in the time, this some of the roadmaps may take 1 year. Some of the roadmap, they will take 6 months and above. Some roadmaps will give you 8 months of study time. So or else you will have to speed up. If you have only 3 months, you have to speed up the time. So I would suggest, if you are a BE graduate, I would suggest you to come and do it by the starting of the final year. And if you are BSc graduate or BCA, MCA graduate, come on the 3rd year. Just come on 3rd year and then start doing this. Start getting your roadmap. What is your you wanted to be? You wanted to be an aeronautical engineer, or you wanted to be a, say, cyber security engineer, or you wanted to be a yacht developer, something like that. What exactly you wanted to become, actually your aspiration. So based on your aspiration, choose the tool, and then it will give you a nice roadmap based on the input, based on the answers you have provided to the tool via your answers. This is very, very essential tool. Everyone will love it. So I thought of spending at least 5 minutes to explain about these tools. Okay, that's the reason I spent. The first thing is, we will see network study guide. This is not a roadmap. This is a study guide. Okay, just I'm clicking on it. So what is that study guide will do? Network study guide and the skill assessment. It is a two-folded tool. What do you mean by two-folded? First, download the beginners. There is a spelling mistake. The beginners network study guide. Okay, so once you are going to download the beginner study guide, and upon completion, evaluate yourself. So once after 1 year, 1 week or 2 week or even 10 days or 1 day, you are coming back here and then get yourself evaluate whether you are fundamentally strong by studying this. So you have to click here. So as soon as you click here, the tool will download. It will give you the download location, or it will automatically download it for you. See, this is the file, and then I'm putting it in desktop. So this I've taken it from YouTube only, not YouTube, from LinkedIn only. So this is a fundamentals of network. So whoever wants to get into a fresher wants to get into a network support engineering side, they will have to study this. So that is what actually I have doing this. So this is what the tool is all about. And there are some of the modules, and whoever prepared this, I mean, since there is no name, if there is any name, I would have called you directly and then would have appreciated you, and then I would have provided a courtesy. But unfortunately, there is no mention out here, no contact mention out here. So I cannot say provide my courtesy to you guys as well. So just go here. I mean, this is pretty simple. Though you have 20 plus modules or 10 plus modules, it is pretty simple. Just to read it once, you will understand what is what. Okay, that is most important for fundamentals for networking. So as soon as you have completed this, then after 1 week or 2 weeks or something like that, you come back and then provide your name, your organization. If it is you are studying, say if your college name is New Horizon College of Engineering and College of Engineering, just provide your college name and what is your role currently student, and what is your level. It's a beginner, 0 to first year, so first level. So you provide career path, what exactly you wish to be in a network. So I would like to say, like, network support engineer, which is nothing but network engineer is nothing but a network support engineer. What is the weekly study hours? This is what I said during our demonstration as well. So 10 hours, 15 hours, 5 hours, 15 hours, 20 plus hours. So based on it, the system will provide you a very nice career path. So I would say, like, I'm a beginner, so I'm choosing it. So I'm giving the name as Madhav Krishna Kumar, and then the company, I'll give a new college, New Horizon College of Engineering, and then my current role is student. So I'm just beginner 1 year. And then what is my career path? So I would like to become a network administrator or network security professional or network support engineer. So I would wish to be a network support engineer, and I will be able to spend 10 hours a week for a new studies. And then what are the modules and skills assessment? Module 2, networking fundamentals. And what is my assessment is my skill current level. I will provide you my networking fundamentals. I can give you 1 out of 5. Okay. And then module 3, routing and switching, also I can give 1 out of 5. And then module network security, I can give it 2 out of 5. And then module 5, networking tools, I can say 3. Networking advanced router, I mean, I can make use of 3 stars. And then of course fundamentals of the advanced switching is 3 stars. So this also 8, network automation 3 stars. And then module 9, multiple vendor labs, is going to be 3 star. And then module number 10, which is going to be network troubleshooting, in that I'll give 2 stars as well. So altogether 9 module, 36 lesson, and the average skill is 2.3. So what we are going to see is, what is the target certification? Do you want to have any target certification for your network career? I would say like CompTIA Network Plus, something like that. And then what is the output? And do you want these 2 outputs? There are 4 outputs this guy will give you. We will see what are those soon. Provide practice lab and include knowledge check questions. So I will put all the thing open. So let me generate the assessment. We will see some interesting stuff will come over here. So we have 5 files created out of the generate assessment. The first one is skill assessment, and the second one is learning roadmap, and third one is certification readiness, practice labs, knowledge check. So this is not just roadmap. You don't know anything about it, but you wish to continue your career in network. You are already doing your BE in BE or BTech or in any major. No, it doesn't matter. As far as IT is concerned, they do not need to worry. They will never worry about what qualification you have. If you have BE computer science, that is better. Always better having an upper hand. So you are, for example, if you are a BE computer science student or MSc or MCA computer science student, final year student, and by final year 1 year you have full year is there. So you are coming and doing this. You know what? This file. Let us see, like, what is that first one. The download stuff is I already downloaded, but still I will create a folder. In desktop I will create a folder saying network road map. Okay, I'm creating underneath network roadmap. So you have a skill assessment, first, number one, and number two, learning roadmap. I mean, it will be saving the same location. Certification readiness. So we will do this, and then practice labs, and then we will put it inside. And the knowledge check. This we are not going to do it right now. And knowledge check, we will be doing it once we have completed all those scenarios as well, right? So first we have already been downloaded, and then the first thing is skill assessment. So what is that skill assessment we are going to do? The first thing is when network roadmap, just double click on it, and then these are the 5 files. What do you call skill assessment? Just double click on it. So your network skill assessment. So what currently, based on your answers, this is what actually you have provided one, 2, something like that. And this is your skill assessment. So what alignment you will have to do it? Career alignment, network support engineer. You will have to required modules is network fundamentals you will have to learn. And then, key skills needed. You have to learn about troubleshooting, about basic routing switching, about CLI. CLI is a command line tool, command line interface. So what are the commands that you need to learn, and then documentation you will have to study as well. Certification, CompTIA network class is better. CCNA is always good. And then salary is going to be 3 to 6 lakhs is what by default. 4 to 5 lakhs they will normally give if it is master's computer science or bachelor of engineering. If it is other than BSc, if you have BSc some network related or BCA, BSc computer science in bachelor's degree, you might get around 3 lakh, something like that. So this is what the tool is all about. And then the next tool from our thing is actually you have practice labs. I mean, these are the labs which we need to practice, like how to create a VLAN, how to configure the firewall zones, how to configure the network script. So all those things we can just, how long does it take? 2 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, something like that. It will give you clear instructions for you. So I'm just closing all the unwanted stuff, and then I'm going here. Learning roadmap. This is what is essential for us. Personalized learning roadmap. See, bear in mind, the learning roadmap which you have received will not be the same, or need not to be the same of the same roadmap which one of your friends done this, because based on his knowledge, the system is, that's what I said, personalized learning roadmap. Okay, so it is personalizing for each and everyone. It is not only for you. So the same thing will not be repetitive. Of course, the syllabuses are repetitive, but the personalized learning roadmap is not repetitive. Got it? So now the next thing, you just see it. How long does it take? Module 2 lessons. These are the lessons you'll have to study. These are the tools you'll have to learn. And module 3, these are the lessons, tools. So just how long does it take? It says like 8 to 12 weeks. So 5 weeks this guy will take, and then 7 weeks. That's what I said. Do it on the final year, not while closing your final year. While starting your final year, you will get ample time, so that if you are based on your aspiration, you can choose your roadmap, and based on the roadmap, you can study a plan for your study. And once you have studied it, you can evaluate yourself. Based on your evaluation, studies, qualification, you can go and apply, or you will be ready for your placement if you have a placement. If not, then you can apply it from the market. As soon as when you get into any kind of an interview process, you will the chances of getting this over 95 or 95 to 99% of it. Okay, this is very, very essential for you to understand. Then only you will give the importance for this roadmaps. Okay, now what are the third thing? I mean, we have seen it, roadmap, we have seen all these labs, we have seen, and knowledge check, which we are going to do it, not going to do it at this juncture, because you finish the complete module and then you do it. And so this is what certification readiness. So what level of you are in? You have only 23%. So this readiness also, your certification readiness also, this guy will provide you. So you have to get the passing score of 720 out of 900. So in 3 years you have time, and the cost of the examination, CompTIA Network Plus examination, is $400. So in order to get into this, it says, see, this is the verdict about yourself. About yourself by our system is giving is need preparation. So you have only 25% knowledge in network concept, you have 19% knowledge in network implementation, you have 16% knowledge in operations, you have 19% knowledge in network security, you have 23% knowledge in troubleshooting. So now with this knowledge level, if you go and appear for the examination, you will certainly face failures. So in order to succeed it, you'll have to make this as all above 85 plus. Okay, got it. Now, and what is the last and final tool is going to be your certification readiness, your knowledge check. We are not going to do anything. All the three things we have already seen it. So hope you would have get an idea about what is this. Okay, this is not just only roadmap, but also it will gauge you, it will provide you the roadmap, it will make you understand, it will again gauge you, and it will which certification you wish to apply. Even that certification also, how much knowledge do you have, it will again evaluate, and then it will provide you all the reports in PDF format, and then you can PDF or HTML format, and then you can evaluate everything, and then you start plan accordingly and start preparing. By the end of the year, you will be ready for all those things. 100% you will be clicked by some 95 to 99% chances of getting a role as soon as possible, either during a placement cell itself, or during, in case if you miss out any placement skills, you will directly apply to the companies from external world. Okay, hope this is making sense to you. In case if it is not, please do comment underneath the video. In case if it is not, you please reach us by info@toolweb.in, or you can reach us the telephone number. You have a contact page, you can reach us in any form, and then we will definitely help you. And beyond that, I do not have anything to discuss further. Until next time.